When you think of Tokyo, you probably picture the famous train system, fast, efficient, everywhere. Imagine getting around the train without any trouble, catching the right car, and fitting in with the locals like regular travelers. But here's the challenge. Tokyo's train system is huge, and there are plenty of unspoken rules. From crowded rush hour to confusing transfers, how do you avoid a common mistake and travel smoothly? In this video, I will show you the top don'ts on Tokyo trains, from the basic of etiquette to avoiding rush hour disasters. I will help you make your Tokyo communicate as easy as possible. So let's go. So first one is, don't bring your big luggage on rush hour train. So first of all, the rush hour is especially from morning and evening, from 7 a.m. to around 9 a.m. Also start from 5 p.m. to around 7 p.m. maybe 8 p.m. Especially during the time, the train would be super packed and so busy. You can barely move. So bringing a big luggage on train those kind of hours, it might be a little bit trouble, not only for the other passengers, but also yourself. You'll feel super stressful and confusing and stuff. So I wouldn't recommend it to bring the big luggage on those kind of time. But here's the thing, sometimes you have to move to the other hotel and you have to go to the other locations on those time. Especially like when you land in Tokyo, like Narita or Haneda, there's only way to get to Tokyo is train for you maybe. So yeah, in that case, fair enough. But I will tell you some services like delivery services from the airport to your hotel and your hotel to your next hotel. Alright, so let's check. So first one is from airport to your hotel. So let me look up that called airporter on Google and you can change language here. So take a look. Same day luggage delivery. So let's see Tokyo. So like here, you can just, so from here you can actually make a reservation, those kind of stuff. So let's say from Narita airport, you can select airport and Haneda, Narita, the terminal 1, let's say terminal 1. And the flight number, and you have to fill in. I mean I don't have the flight numbers, I cannot do that. After you decided the location for the pickup point, you can choose the date and also the time here, and also dropout point. So you can just look up your hotel, let's say Hotel Grizzly, and also you have to fill your reservation name and upload and confirm. Also you can choose the station, like Tokyo Station, those kind of stuff. I mean hotel to the airport is about this much. It's depending on your size of the luggage. You can just check this out for sure. You might want to deliver from your Tokyo hotel to maybe Osaka and Kyoto. Usually you can ask to the hotel staff that you want to send your luggage to your next hotel. So next one is the hotel to hotel. Just recommend you to take Uber. I mean, here in Japan, you can use Uber as well. Let's take a look. This is Uber, the location. Let's see the Hotel Grizzly. So this is in Japanese, and let's say Hotel Grizzly Ginza. And you can search. And then you can just use a normal taxi and the premium stuff, and also the big ones. It's high grade and stuff. It's about 5,600 yen, which is $35. So yeah, you can just request those kind of big ones. I think that would be super easier and kind of cheaper and same day deliver. Well, you have to get on the the taxi though. I think it's much better than holding your luggages and going to the train on the rush hour. I mean if it's not rush hour, you can just bring your luggage on the train. So that is no problem. But what I'm just saying is the rush train, it's really busy and packed. So I really don't recommend it to bring the luggage. So next one is use Mobile Suica or Passmo. I mean, that means don't use the physical ticket. I mean, you can use the physical ticket for sure, but You have to go the ticket machine, and sometimes you have to line up, and it's a bit hard for you to buy the ticket because even if it's in English, you have to select the area, the station name, whatever, and you have to watch the map and stuff. Of course, you can just check on your phone or something. But yeah, obviously having the Suica card or like Passmo on the mobile is much faster and easier. You can just go and tap in and tap out, and then you can recharge on your phone. And you can use those kind of Suica, Passmo. You can use at the vending machine or convenience store, and some restaurant accept their Suica payment and something. Like having the Suica, Passmo, and mobile phone stuff, it makes your trip more easier and more simpler. I've got a message sometimes like you cannot activate on your phone, maybe the iOS, the version something. But yeah, no worries. Well, you can buy the physical card still. But thing is, because of like the less semiconductor, physical Suica card, like a welcome sticker and a Passmo, those kind of stuff is limited. Those are like still available at the major airport and the station. You have to look up those. But there is possibility that you cannot get physical card. So before coming to Japan, you should try to activate your Suica or Passmo on your phone. The next one is do not buy one-day pass in Tokyo before you calculate the actual train fare. So first one we take a look is one-day open tickets. These are great value tickets that can be used on the Tokyo Metro and other line in Tokyo. It's not JR, okay? The 24-hour tickets that can be used freely for 24 hours from the first use, and a one-day open ticket that can be used freely from the first train until the last train on a specific date are also available. Okay, so you say use them for like a location hopping in the city and shopping, explore food, etc. So let's take a look for the price. Tokyo Metro 24-hour ticket allows to unlimited rides in the Tokyo Metro for 24 hours from the first use. The ticket can be bought in advance or on the day, so you don't have to make a reservation. The price adult 600 yen, which is like $4, and kids for 300 yen, $2. And where to buy other one ticket that you can just see. So the thing is like the adult for 600 yen. I think this is really cheap. I mean like this is cheap. But let's see, if you don't go around the day or you just go to the one city to the other city, usually it'll be like around 200 yen. I mean, like it depends on like where to stay and stuff. So you have to calculate by yourself. Okay, let's say Akihabara to Shinjuku. So they spend Akihabara whole day. So yeah, from Shinjuku to Akihabara is 180 yen, around $1. Even if it's round trip, that would be like 360 yen. So yeah, it's still cheaper than buying those kind of the one-day ticket. But if you are taking a train a lot and go around the city in the day, work. But here's the heads up. This is only Tokyo Metro, so you cannot use this for the JR. So JR one is this one, Tokyo Metropolitan District Pass. It says like we recommend those who wants to travel around Tokyo. Let's see. This is the area that you can use it. I mean like this is the whole Tokyo mostly. The price is the adult 760. The kids is 380. It's about $5. Yeah, $5, and this one is $250. Yeah, $250, I guess. Okay, so in this course, it says if you want to go around Tokyo Station, Akihabara, and Ryogoku, which is a small city, and Ueno area, downtown, and Shinjuku, and Shibuya, those kind of central, like iconic places in day, you'd spend 800 yen. Okay, 800 yen by train. But if you use this pass, you can save 40 yen. 40 yen, eh? And also you don't have to buy the ticket each time. But it's still 40 yen. I mean, like I designed tours and I travel around in Tokyo. To go around in Tokyo one day is actually really tight schedule. At least you'd spend 1 hour each places and going to Tokyo, Akihabara, Ueno, Shinjuku, Shibuya. You'll be so tired for sure. Probably you'd use a taxi or something. So personally, I just recommend use just a Suica or Cosmo. And also like a JR has a different type of the one-day ticket, which is like including green card and more expanded area, those kind of stuff. I don't say this is not worth, but the thing is, you have to calculate and you have to know like what would you like to do first, and then you just decide that you get on. Alright, so next one is how to navigate yourself in Tokyo. I wouldn't recommend you to use any like transport app. I just recommend you to stick to Google Map. I mean, Google Map shows everything, not only transport, transit and stuff. Google Map can navigate to the restaurant and one place to one place. Just stick to the Google Map because like Google Map is the best app, I believe, in English and both in Japanese. They show the prices and stuff, and also they show the color of the line. And Yamanote line, it'll be green, and they'll show the platform number and on timer, those kind of stuff. So especially like in English, it works really well. But here's heads up. When you use a Google Map or either any kinds like navigation app, when you are in the basement, like kind of underground, it won't work. Well, it works, but not really. So I just recommend you to just get out to the the ground level and use the Google Map or any kind of map. I have many experiences like use the Google Map in Shinjuku Station and Tokyo Station. It is where are too many internets, so it didn't work well. So yeah, it's a local tip. I mean, like even me sometimes get lost in the Shinjuku Station, Tokyo Station. So no worries, just follow Google Map. All right, next one is, I think you guys know this, but don't talk on the phone or don't talk to your friends or family on the train. This is really like Japanese culture thing. I don't know what is like a train rule in your country, but I've heard like metro in New York, people are like talking and some people are like playing music and stuff. I think that would be, it's kind of fun for me, but in Japan, definitely not. I mean, you have to show the respect to the others. You're not supposed to talk or make any sounds and stuff. Like small chat is totally fine, but don't be loud, especially in the rush hour. And next don't is don't drink and eat on train. Okay, don't do that. Not really. If you're really thirsty and just drink water and tea, I think it's fine. But you're not supposed to drink and eat. We care about the smell. And let's say if you like to drop your bottle and the water drains or something, it's not good, right? Oh, I'm talking about a train, but on the bullet train, you can eat and drink, okay? So before you get on the Shinkansen bullet train, there is a bento store, so you can buy ekiben, which means a station lunchbox, and you can get some beer if you want. I mean, like this is how I get on the bullet train. Always get some food and drinks, like 2 beers. So you can drink and eat on a bullet train, but the metro and train, you're not supposed to, okay? Good. Next one is kind of close to the big luggage stuff, but when you travel around, you might have carry your backpack and stuff. And usually, backpack is like this, right? But when you get on a train, you better carry backpack in front like this, okay? Because the train is really packed, and also like you walking around at the station with busy time, maybe your backpack in here is get someone's way, and holding like this is much easier. Once you do this, you'll love this. So not stressful, and if you put at the back, some people feel like uncomfortable, and they might say to you or something, maybe you better carry your backpack in front. So, but yeah, this is fine. So next one is also when it's a rush hour. Not only rush hour, but normal time. Okay, so when you're on the train and the train stops at station, some people want to get off the train. But if you stand right nearby the door, you know, you're supposed to just get off the train and open space for the door, and you just stand right. So then you can just wait the people getting off the train, and after people getting off the train, this is really like a respectful way and stuff. But if it's like super busy in a rush hour, you might be like this at the corner, and then people were like trying to get off the train, and you were like, wow. Then there's lines like to get on the train and stuff, but you have a right to wait in front of the door, okay? Like here, door. And after people getting off, you go first. That's okay thing. No cut line. That's okay. Okay, so next two don'ts is more like for guys, like for us. So here in Japan, first of all, like here in Japan, there are many cases like the male like touch the woman's body on the train, those kind of, you know, like trying to take pictures underneath and stuff. Like that's actually really common, sadly. So there is the car only for women in the morning. And usually, it depends on the line, but usually yes, at the first car and second car. So like to know those kind of cars, you have to like check the thing. And this is on the floor, and also there is in the door. It says only women's car. Usually from the first, like maybe first train to like around 8 a.m. or something. So the guys, you cannot get in the car, okay? If you get in a car, you'll be in trouble for sure. So you have to check if it's the woman's car or not, especially in the morning. All right, so this is the last thing, and again, for guys, even you don't mean it to, you know, just touch someone's body, but you know, rush hour train, you know, accidentally, you could touch, accidentally, okay? But even the accidentally, if the lady thinks that you touch their body or something, well, you will get in trouble for sure. You will get in trouble. So prevent that one. Like when you get on the train, like this, okay? This is how I always do on the rush hour train. As I said, train, like this handle, I always like this. Your hands up first, or like I do like this. And before you get on the train, you better hold your phone in your hand and like this. The thing is, on the train, you try to pick your phone from pocket and try to do this and accidentally touch someone's body. You know what's gonna happen, right? But it's not that strict, but just in case, you don't want to be in trouble, right? So yeah, sadly, there's some cases for those kind of stuff. He didn't mean it, but yeah, she thinks that he touched. So please make sure your hands up when you're on the train in rush hour especially. Okay, so thank you for watching to the end. So those are like unspoken rule, like don'ts on the train, and I also give some tips for you guys about like Suica card and a pass and stuff. This is a culture thing, so there are many rules and etiquette and even the unspoken rule. So you might be confused, but you know, to know those kind of stuff, you'll be fine. And also you can travel with train smoothly like local. But if you have any question, let me know in a comment below, okay? Okay guys, so I hope this video will help you guys just a little bit. So yeah, thank you for watching till the end. See you guys in the next one. Cheers. Here's the tip. Use a special ShoMeJapan coupon to get a 5% off any tour. It's not just about hopping. Use it for culture tour, food tour, and other magical trip tour all over Japan. So check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.